Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video is going to be a review and demonstration of this new Tuba TH501. Let's begin. Alright, this is a new paint gun. It's barely coming out on the market. This is from the company Tuba. I've reviewed several guns of theirs. So let me just open it up. Let's see the content. It's a real nice gun, guys. Let's see what's inside. Right off the bat, you got yourself your manual and the gun. This is nicely packaged. Let me just remove it from the package so that you can see it. Real nice color, real different style. Looks nice, looks really nice. Right there, I removed the caps, and this is a 1.4 tip right there. And it's a little heavy, but it's not that much. Looks really nice. I love the color, the combination of the colors. Real nice. Let me open it up over here so you can see the way it's inside. There you go. This is the way it looks. Real nice. Let me remove the needle and the tip so that you can see it. There you go. It does have a seal right there. And there's the other piece. This feels like aluminum. And the tip. Whoa. Very good. This is the way it looks from the inside. There it is. It's a little different the way it is, the way it's assembled. I believe it's like two pieces. It looks really nice. We're gonna try it out with some clear coat. Let's see how good it sprays the clear. We already put it all back together. Now let's it does come with a cup. Let me continue opening. Forgot about that. So let's see what else comes in the box. There it is. It does come with a cup. I have no idea what that blue thing is. Let me go check it out. And your tools to disassemble and assemble the gun. Clean it up. A brush and your tools. And inside the cup, there's a filter. That's interesting. That's actually a really good idea. Instead of installing those little filters that go here, it's right on the cup. Right inside the cup. There you go. You can remove it so that you can clean it, install it back on. This is actually really nice. So that is it. That is everything that's included on the box. Really nice compartments. So let's just put some clear on it. Let's see how this gun sprays. And there it is. Now, came out really nice. The gun performed flawlessly. There is a couple of fisheye that appeared on the last coat of clear, but that's had nothing to do with the gun. That has to do with my filtration. And I already knew about the filtration. I am gonna switch it, I am gonna change it, and I am gonna show you what filtration I'm gonna be using. So stay tuned for that video. I've been having trouble already with the filtration that I have. Reason being, it's about 6 years old. So it performed for 6 years flawlessly, but it's time to change the filtration. But about the gun, it performed tremendously well. It performed really nice. It spread the clear flawlessly with no minimal to no orange peel. The only thing is that the fisheye that occurred in the last coat of clear. But this is gonna get cut and buffed anyway, so don't really bother me. It's gonna be eliminated. Again, this is the gun, the Tuba TH501, right there, with a 1.4 tip, and nothing but good news. Nothing but good news for this gun. Came out really nice, as you can see, flawless on the clear coat. I haven't tried it with the base or the sealer, but I will be doing that soon, and I'll give you my opinion on the base and the sealer. Now I'm gonna leave all the information on this gun in the description below, so that you can go ahead and get it. It's a brand new paint gun. I'm not too sure if it's on the market already, but if it is, I'll leave the link as to where you can get it. And this is gonna be it. This is gonna be it for this video. This is a review and demonstration on that Tuba TH501 paint gun. In regards to this car, I'm not gonna show you any more on this car until it is completely done, and I'll show you the finished result. All right. So thank you guys. Have a great weekend. I'll see you this coming week. Stay safe, and like always, God bless.